Yo guys, what's up here at VVS Finance? And today we're looking at VVS and how to extract the most value out of this token that has treated us badly. Now, it started out with $1,000 and we're down to 187 thereabouts. Not a great return. All right, let's go take a look, number one, at the mine, the glitter mine. So in the glitter mines, we're going to look at the staked, what we got. And here we have Argo returning 145% for 168 tokens off 70 bucks in xVVS that I staked. Now, this mine only will last for another 1 month, 12 days, 3 hours, 15 minutes. At that point, it will expire. Like other mines have in the past. You won't lose your crypto, but you have to go somewhere else to get it. And that would be over here in the Finish tab in the glitter mines. So, no worries. It'll be there, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, and we can walk you through that tutorial. Now, I could harvest this right now, okay, $2.82, and take that Argo and do something with it, but it's only $2.82. It's going to cost CRO to do this. If I harvest now, I'm not gonna do it. But if I were, it's going to cost CRO probably 1.5, 2 CRO, something. And I'm not willing to do that right now. It would wreck my APR. So I'm going to try to keep that for as long as I think I can. And we're going to head over to the farm. Yep. So here we are at the farm, looking at the stakes we've got. And we have a CRO VVS. Alright, we've earned $3.08. I don't remember the last time I harvested this. But I only have $44 staked. Now it seems like the value of CRO and VVS are just dropping like rocks. Alright, CRO 20 cents, 18 cents, not good. VVS, keep adding zeros the wrong way after the decimal place of the value. And here we have some Tonic. Tonic's been kind of holding its own, sort of, but not really. It's kind of decreased in value as well. But you're paying 53% interest here, so that's pretty decent. And that never expires. And this one never expires either, so it should be pretty interesting. Over here in xVVS, last time if you subscribed to my channel, we converted VVS to xVVS, which is the new crypto of choice here in this VVS Finance DeFi ecosystem. And we staked in the vault. So let's go take a look at the vault. And I have 6.4 million tokens, wish it was dollars, tokens in here for 6 months, locked in, and only 118,000 for 4 years, because that's a eternity in crypto land. Even 6 months is long. But the average has dropped from just a few days ago to over 100% to 88.25%. Yep, I know, not great. But you see the allocation, 6 months and 4 years. Most of it is in the 6-month category because that's where I'm at. Maybe later we'll switch it over, but right now this is where I'm at. So let me know what you guys think about that. So back to the dashboard. All right, we know we've lost a little bit of money here, and the guys who got in the latest IGO for Argo have paid about, I believe, 5 cents per Argo was the going rate. All right, so there you go. Price per Argo, 5 cents. If we go back to the mine, where I'm mining Argo with xVVS, we can do a calculation. Now, if we have 168 Argo, that's worth $2.82 each. How much is each Argo worth? Well, let me tell you, it's not 5 cents. It's under 2 cents, I believe. Go ahead and do the math, but it's not good. So, people who invested in Argo and the IGO lost more than half. Welcome to the VVS Finance Losers Club. Argo owners. Okay, not the most cheery thought, but long term could work out. Lots of stuff you can do with Argo. You can stake it, keep it, vault it. So tell me what you guys think. What's going on with VVS here? I'm not sure I have a lot of faith left in it, but my money's locked in for now. And I'm just going to let it ride until I either break even or come out ahead. It might take 4 years. Who knows? Depends where crypto goes. I still have long-term confidence in Bitcoin and Ethereum, the backbones of crypto. And Bitcoin's going to 100K. And Ethereum is going to 10K. It might take a little longer than we thought. But, right now the BTC transfer is down at crypto.com. Not good. But Bitcoin's been holding its own around 30K. Give or take, it's in a range, right? So it was a lot higher, and now we've dropped into this new range of 30K. Well, how long will it stay there? I'm not really sure. We'll have to see. But if it drops below 30 and maintains that level, it doesn't look good. Many new countries are adopting crypto, but the rate needs to increase, and people investing in it need to increase, along with the whales, who really control the price. So let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what crypto you want to cover next, because my new 100x crypto I'll be covering soon in a new video, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.